The Kawasaki ZH2 is a high-performance supercharged motorcycle that belongs to the esteemed Z series from Kawasaki. Introduced in 2020, the ZH2 is known for its aggressive styling, cutting-edge technology, and exhilarating performance. At the heart of this beast is a 998cc inline-4 engine equipped with a supercharger, delivering an impressive blend of power and torque. The supercharger technology, derived from Kawasaki's experience in the world of racing, ensures instantaneous throttle response and relentless acceleration. The ZH2 features a robust chassis, complemented by top-tier components such as a fully adjustable suspension and high-performance braking system. It boasts advanced electronics, including multiple riding modes, quick shifter, and a suite of safety features. The bike's aerodynamic design